Hi everyone. Today the module that we are going to develop is a car parking module, and it's very simple, probably one of the easiest codes. So let's begin. So the scenario is something like you have a car parking and a lot of cars, say approximately with a maximum capacity of 200, come every day. You need to keep track of the cars that come, collect the accurate fee, and also maintain the total database of cars that came in and went out. Yeah, pretty much covers everything. So let's begin. First, let's say a car comes. The number of the car is, let's say, HR26873132. Okay. Once this comes, just press tab and the actual time is captured. Okay. To let that in, just press enter or come and click here. Okay. Once that is allowed, the car is allowed inside the car parking place. Okay. There will be further more cars. So let's say there is HR 267321, and simply either press enter, or if you want to see the time also, then press tab. Okay. And once you see the time, see the entry has not been made yet. When you come and click on allow car, the entry is automatically made. Okay. It shows today's counter and current counter. That means today's 7 cars have come and 1 car has already left the parking lot, and currently there are 6 cars in the parking lot. Okay. Very simple. Now let's say the car 8732 is moving out. So just come and select 8732. Okay. Press tab. The in time was 5:59. The out time is 6:08:38. So the fee collected is only $10, and the fee is calculated like this. For 0 to 30 minutes, it is 10 rupees. 30 to 60 minutes, 25 rupees. 60 to 120, 45 rupees. 120 minutes, that is 2 hours or above, it is $60. Okay. So when this is there, just notice 8732, which is this number 6. Just come and click on collected, or there you go. So number 6 goes off. Okay. Once it goes off, it is automatically saved in the other sheet like this. 8732. This is the 7th car. Okay. The fee collected is 10. Let's go back to the main sheet and make a few more entries. So let's come here. Now let's say there is another car, DL08. Okay. Just press tab and an entry is being made now. Okay. Then just come and click on allow car. Okay. See, the entry has been made. And let's say, and let's do one thing. Let's change this timing to, say, the car came at 4:05. Enter. Okay. This we have changed from backend. Now, if required, we can also restrict this. Now, let's see. We come here, we press down arrow, and we select the same car. Press tab. So 4:05 to 6:07. Therefore, $60 need to be collected. Okay. As per this table, if it is more than 120 minutes here, therefore $60 is being collected. Right? It's approximately 2 hours 3 minutes. So 60 minutes, 60 rupees are being collected. It says 122 minutes, right? So come here, and when you click on collected, see this goes off from here and it is added here. Okay. So I think I'll just put this here, and there you go. Yeah. Just come here and let us make one more entry. So DL09, enter. Okay. 7474. Come here. Enter. Done. Okay. See, it's been added here. Let me make one more entry. Say HR43. Tick. Okay. Allow car. Okay. And so this, select, and done. Okay. So see, this constantly shows the number of cars that are there. Okay. So it shows that there are currently 5 cars. Okay. And now if you notice that it is also showing correctly what is the total number of cars that have come today. So though there are only 5 cars currently in the parking lot, today total there were 10 cars. Okay, now let's see if I remove say 5432. Yeah, so I will just come and select 5432 and okay, 10 bucks. I'll come and select it. See, it is gone. Okay, today's counter has increased from 10 to 11 and the current counter is only 4 cars. Right? Come here and see, this is the 11th car. I hope this was good and it was very interesting. Let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this car parking module. This could be used in very many ways and many similar such things. Let me know in the comments if you liked it and if you want me to explain the code. Okay, in case you are interested, I shall make a video. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye.